sound decibels. 80. So we're gonna do muffler delete, and we'll let you guys hear it. Let us know what you think.
All right, guys, we've got a 2020 Chevy Blazer V6, 3.6 liter, I think. I'm not sure. But anyways, black on black, really beautiful car. As you guys can see, our first one we've done on the 2020s. It's got two factory converters there, secondaries. Primaries are on the manifolds on each side. And then it's got a resonator, a dual in single out resonator that we left alone. He didn't want it too loud. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe, as you guys can see. And then we did a muffler delete because it has a massive muffler that's right there. That's how massive that muffler is, you guys can see. It's about 3 feet long. So we deleted it and put a custom white pipe on it, as you guys can see there, into two tailpipes there and into his factory tips. He didn't want to change the tips. He wanted the factory look with a little bit more sound. So we went ahead and did that for him, as you guys can see right there. Came out really clean, really nice. You don't see anything when he goes on the ground, like nothing happened, but something did happen. It lost about 50 pounds right there, that muffler. So hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It is the RS Blazer. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you guys are in the area, come by and say hi. We'll be working on that thing next. Can-Am. He's gonna bring it by sometime next week. And we're gonna do a muffler delete on it. There it is, stock. Even your license plate says alignment. That's funny. It's not bad. I think it needs a little bit more. Yeah. That's not bad for a muffler delete. Here's sound decibels. 91. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. What do you guys think? You like it like that, or it needs more? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Blazer RS. Murdered out black on black with a muffler delete. There goes the lights, they turn on. I love the look of it, they're cool. Chevy outdid themselves on this one. I'm glad they brought back the Blazer, they needed to. When they brought that Trailblazer, it wasn't as good as this. I love the look of that. Hopefully he'll launch it for us. Muffler delete. Oh yeah, that sucker flies. That sounds good. Enjoy, guys.